Welcome back to my channel. And if you're brand new here, hi, my name's Courtney, and I enjoy playing around with the curly girl method to improve the health of my hair. And today, I guess I'm kind of redoing a one brand wash day I did a while back on my channel. If you've been with me that long, leave a thumbs up emoji down in the comments below. I reviewed Simply Curls Co. a while back, and I absolutely love this brand. I was introduced to this brand last summer when I was really struggling with some scalp issues, and I was really working to eliminate allergens from my hair care routine to try and pinpoint what ingredients were causing my issue and which ones weren't. Simply Curls Co. was developed by an amazing woman named April, and she has basically formulated one of the cleanest hair care lines I have ever seen. They are free of everything. They are vegan, they are cruelty free, they are non-GMO, they are organic, they're wild caught, antibiotic free, grass fed. Just kidding. They're not all those things, but they are free of all silicones, sulfates, parabens, drying alcohols. They are also, ding ding ding, big bonus, zero waste. And the reason that I am talking about this brand again is that April has now rebranded. Yay! Now the brand is called A Simple Planet. You can still get the same great products with a new look. April is growing and expanding her business. She now offers all of her products in aluminum bottles, and the coolest, most exciting part is that she has an epic refill program now. So that is how she has been able to offer her products zero waste. You keep your bottle and you keep refilling it. I'm going to read off of my phone exactly how her refill program works. With the refill program, there are 17 fluid ounce refill pouches of every product she offers. Also, included in the purchase price of these pouches are an envelope and a return label. You, the customer, will be able to refill your own bottles and then send the pouch back. The pouch will be clean and sanitized and refilled for the next customer. So if you'd like to see exactly how I use the Simple Planet hair care products, formerly known as Simply Curls Co., then just keep watching.
Hey there, guys. All right, here we are in my bathroom once again. I am just struggling here to get my hair tie out of my hair, and now I am making sure that my hair is nice and soaking wet before I proceed with the shampooing process. I'm going in with a Simple Planet's clean shampoo. I picked the orange scent and I really like it. A lot of her products are quite runny, so the shampoo is very, very liquidy, but you can see there that as I started to warm it up in my hands, it did begin to foam. Her main cleansing ingredient surfactant is soap nut, which I thought was really, really cool. I find it to be pretty cleansing, pretty like leaning more on the clarifying side. So if your hair is very prone to dryness, you might find that this is a little drying. I just find that it's really cleansing and really helpful for my problematic scalp. So now I'm just rinsing all of that shampoo out of my hair, knocking the conditioner into my bathtub, and now I'm going to be applying the clean conditioner to my hair. So again, the product is pretty runny, and I find that it has really nice slip. I do kind of like squeeze it all into my hair before I start finger detangling, just to make sure that I don't accidentally drop some into the bathtub, if that makes sense. Now I am thoroughly finger detangling, and once my hair is completely finger detangled, I will grab my Perfect Hair Care brush and finish distributing that conditioner to every single strand of hair in my head, just making sure that there are no escapees, no frizzies that didn't get a good conditioner coating, because over time, if I condition all of the strands of my hair, theoretically my hair will become less frizzy. I don't know. That's how it works in my brain. All right, now I'm adding as you saw, a tiny bit of water to the back of my head so that I can do a really good deep squish to condish with this conditioner. This is the process of adding a little bit of water to your conditioner and squishing it thoroughly into your hair. Adding the water will help your hair absorb and help the conditioner penetrate deeper into your hair shaft. It also ensures better distribution. All right, after spending a good amount of time squishing that conditioner into my hair, I squish it until I feel like I can't feel the conditioner anymore, until I feel like the hair's absorbed it all. Now I've completely rinsed out that conditioner and I'm going in with the detangler. The detangler does contain some protein. It is like pure water. It is extremely liquidy. So I find that I do better when I just squirt it on my hair versus trying to squirt it into my hand and then apply it to my hair. So after a thorough dousing of the detangling spray, I am just going to brush that through. And I've really started kind of using the brush to organize my curl clumps, and I'm really liking it. It kind of reminds me of what people do with the Denman brush. So now that I've got everything nice and organized and pointed and going the way I want it to go, I'm just adding a little bit of water to this detangling solution in my hair, and I'm just going to do a good squish to condish with the detangling. I find that this step, kind of brushing in my leave-in and squishing it in really well, helps my curl clumps start forming so nicely. Now I'm going in with the Defined Hair Gel. Again, this stuff is really runny. I did drop some into the bathtub. So now I'm going to be a little bit more careful and glaze this over and rope it through my hair. I just parted my hair into two sections and really squeezed the gel into my hair to make sure that it's getting into those inner layers. Now I'm going to stand up and shake the hair off the back of my head and apply just a little bit of gel directly to the back of my head. If you are really struggling with definition in the back of your hair, you might find that standing up, really shaking the hair off the back of your head and directly applying product to those areas will help. Heck, if you have any areas on your head that you are finding are very tend to be straighter than the others, it is possible, first off, that you just have different curl patterns over your head, or that you might be accidentally missing those sections, missing applying your stylers to those areas. Anyway, I am just about done scrunching that gel into my hair, and bonus, I thought I would show you a little bit of my diffusing process. This step where I have plopped my hair with the perfect hair care towel allows me to put on makeup, get dressed without my hair being all over me and wet. But I find that after I plop, if I very gently scrunch my hair one more time, it removes just a little bit more water from my hair, which will shorten diffusing time. Yay. It also helps reactivate any of those curls on the back of my head that got squashed by being in the plop. Because as hard as I try to plop my hair and not crush some of my waves/curls, some of them do get crushed, squashed, smashed on the back of my head. Smoshed is not a word. And yes, I am totally listening to a podcast right here. Now I'm going in with a new diffuser, one that I haven't talked about a lot yet. It's the Seg Beauty Diffuser. I don't know why, but I got a hankering to try a new diffuser because I've been using the Extava Black Orchid for so long. And guys, I've got to say, I really am digging that diffuser. All right, now I'm going in with the Refresh Spray. The gel that I used did not have any flaxseed, but the Refresh Spray does have some flaxseed, which I found interesting. It is extremely liquidy, and it is it's a very thin sort of spray, so I'm making sure to hold it back pretty far and try and evenly mist my hair. I was feeling like it would be fun to see if adding the Refresh Spray when my hair was 50% dry, if it would work kind of like the Smasters technique. and y'all will see the results later, but oh my goodness, I think this refresh spray is my new favorite thing. I really, really liked it. Now I'm just really bending all the way down to make sure and apply some to the top layer of my head. I couldn't quite get it when I was standing upright, but when I was hanging completely upside down, I found that I could reach the front section of my hair. All right, now I'm just gonna finish diffusing. Yay.
All right, here I am, 100% dry. Yes, I did completely finish getting ready and change out of my workout shirt, which I didn't actually work out in. So does it even count? Maybe. All right, now that my hair is 100% dry, I'm ready to scrunch out the crunch. I did diffuse it for about 30-ish minutes, and it was actually a little bit more dry than 90% dry, but I was not noticing the frizzies blowing around in the breeze. And I think that refresh spray is what did that trick. So I was actually able to get my hair more dry. So the air drying time after I finished diffusing was shorter. Now I'm going to scrunch out the crunch. That's the best part of wash day. So let's go ahead and do that. Y'all can see how my hair is a little bit stringy. It's not super cute. And then I start doing this and it loosens everything up. I love the definition I'm getting under here. My underneath layer tends to be my straightest layer, and it's really holding really nicely. That is very exciting to me. Oh my goodness, my hair feels so soft. And my hair is so bouncy right now. Wow. And there we have it. This is this hair with the crunch scrunched out. Guys, I have to say, my hair feels so good right now. It feels so soft. It feels incredibly tangle-free, like I could detangle my hair right now if I wanted to. Not that there are any tangles in it, but you know what I mean. I feel like my fingers would just slip right through my hair. I'm not gonna do that because I feel like all of this is so pretty. I don't wanna mess it up. I love how these products make my hair feel. It's incredible what April has been able to do with her formulas in her kitchen, creating such clean products. I absolutely love that there is such a high quality, zero waste, vegan, cruelty-free option out there if you are wanting to have the healthiest hair possible. If you want more info on these products, I will have it linked in the description down below. April was kind enough to offer a coupon code to all of my subscribers. So if you use this code, you can save a little bit off of your purchase if you are interested in trying some of her products, because guys, they are really worth a look. It is incredible. I really appreciate products that are this environmentally conscious, this squeaky clean, good for me, good for the planet, good for my hair, good all around. Also, if you want more information about A Simple Planet, I will have all that information linked down below so that you can go and check out her website if you need more info. Also, if you want to see me demonstrate more products on my hair, if you'd like to see how different brands play around in my hair, I do enjoy doing a little series on this channel called One Brand Wash Days. You are welcome to subscribe and click that notification bell so that you won't miss any of those kinds of videos. I talk about other stuff on this channel too, but if you are particularly interested in One Brand Wash Days, subscribe and click the bell. Also, if you find this video helpful, if you really enjoy supporting small women-owned businesses that are working as hard as they possibly can to produce extremely high-quality products, please give this video a thumbs up and share this video. It really helps get the word out about such an amazing brand. All right, guys, that is it for this video. I sure hope you are having an absolutely fantastic day, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye!